Hello my friends of the RC truck action world. Thank you so much for giving so many comments, thumbs up and so many views in my last studio video. It's only a week ago I showed you the MAN 8x8 by Scaleart with the Palfinger crane. And the feedback was just amazing. So I was forced to do another one soon, and today is the day, only a week later. Today I will show you the Volvo 250G and I hope that you will like it. Enjoy! So what you can see here is really an awesome machine, an awesome RC machine. I really love it. It's brand new. It's the Volvo L250G made by THS Seibt in Germany, and it is such a great machine. It weighs almost 14 kilogram. And it has a pump in there, a hydraulic pump that operates all functions with around 24 bars. So this is really a lot. It has a lot of power, a lot of strength. It is for sure 4x4, so all four wheels are powered for sure, and you also have diff locks, so that you have the power, or you can get the power on the road or in the terrain. The special thing about this version is that this is the full option version. What you can see is that you have beacon lights, you have a lot of working lights at this machine, and the really cool thing is that it has a quick coupler. The red thing at the front is a quick coupler that allows you to change the shovels that you will use. You can operate a fork so that you can work with different things at the front, and that makes this machine really a universal machine. Because of many questions how it works, I will just give you a short overview about how it works. There is an electric motor installed in there. When I open the hood, you can see that there are valves, hydraulic valves, and there's also an hydraulic pump installed with a hydraulic motor and a tank. As I said, the working pressure is somewhere around 24 bar. And it is powered in the end by a battery, a LiPo battery, an 11.1 volt LiPo battery 3S. And you can operate this machine, let me say it's around an hour. When you have really a lot hard work to do, it might be a little bit shorter, but in the average I would say it is up to 60 minutes. The cool thing is what I told you already, the quick coupler, and what I would like to show you is how it operates. First of all, let me show you without any sound how the motion is, and that you get a better impression how it behaves, and that it really looks like a real machine. So I'm using, as you might know already from my other videos, the Commander SA5000. It is the biggest Scaleart Commander radio. So let's turn it on. Second step, turn on the wheel loader. There's a push button underneath this stair. And after a few seconds, the machine will be connected. You can see right here in the display at the top it says Volvo L250G. This is the battery, 12.44 volts. This is if the machine is standing in a horizontal position or not. So let me try to show you this function. I hope that you can still see the horizon. Can you see it right there? And when I lift this machine, it shifts. You see it? So this is the horizon. What else? This is the power of the pump, 0% right now. And here are some functions, light, diff locks, and so on. So let's move on. So I will show you how this machine works without sound, so you can get an impression of it. Turning on the pump. It is around 20% now. And what you see here, or what I'm trying to show you, is that you can do this really very smooth. See? This is going really smooth. And for sure you can do it fast. But not too fast so that it still looks like the real machine. This is important. And this is really easy to make the setup for the model with this radio together. It takes some minutes for sure, let me say 2 hours or even longer. And then you have the perfect setup for the machine and you can work with it properly. See how it goes? You can do this very smooth. By the way, these blue rings light when this blue light is only there when the radio is connected with the model. So next thing I would like to show you is the quick coupler. So let me get it close to the camera. So I hope you can see it. I'm not sure if the camera is focusing on the right thing. Should be sharp right here. I hope that you can see it. Right here are two hydraulic pistons, and you can get them in. Now it's open, or you can get them out. Now it's closed. And this is how it works when putting something, a fork or a shovel, right to this quick coupler. Let me show you the shovel and then show you how it works. By the way, this monster thing, this is a rock shovel. Isn't this a monster huge thing? To get you a better impression, I will just let me get a bottle of water. So again, this is the shovel. I put it right here. And this is a 1.5 liter water bottle. This is really huge. So, and how does it work? You put it on the table. Let me get you a little bit closer to it. And then I'm trying to show you how it works. That's it. And the other way around. So isn't this cool? Isn't this cool how it works? It's just a cool system, and it works like the real machine. It's really cool. So what else can you put in there? You can use a fork. It's with the same system. It's a fork, and I can show you how this works. And again, that's it. See? So, and to show you a little bit how much power this system has, let's put the bottle on there, 1.5 kilograms. So no problem at all. So what do you think? Isn't this cool that you have this quick coupler and it really works like the real machine? You can just switch from one operating thing to the other, a fork or a shovel or whatever you want to put there. And there's one more special fork I would like to show you, and it's that one. Wait, let me get the wheel loader to the side. So it's this cool thing, and what you already, I guess, see as an RC pro, it is also a fork, but the difference is that you have these two hydraulic pistons over there, the red ones. Oh no, the hydraulic cylinders for sure, and these are the pistons, two of them. And the cool thing is that you can do it via the radio. You can switch or change the operating width of the fork, so that you can, like the original, like the real machine, you can change the width of the fork. So this makes it just multi-comfortable and really universal. And just let me get this fork to the loader, and then I will show you how it works.
It takes a little bit of time to install it, because it's important that the hoses go the right way. And you have to connect the hoses to the system. So now it's done. And let's see if I did everything right. So we still have to close the system. So now it's fixed. Let's put these things beside. So let's see. So this is the maximum width. This is really a lot. You can see how far this is, up to almost 20 centimeters. And then for sure you can push them together and stop where you want. And this is the minimum width. Isn't that cool? So what else I would like to show you are the light functions and for sure the sound. I haven't shown you the sound right now. So let's do first of all a sound test.
So my friends, I hope that you liked the video, and if you have any questions, any comments, please put them in the box below. I would highly appreciate your feedback as always. And when you like the video, please give me a thumb up. I would really love it. So enjoy your day, and looking forward to see you next time. Bye bye.